let's explore how to create this visual inside of TouchDesigner. This is a very concise and simple network, so let's get started. First, we will import our sphere, SOP. With the sphere SOP selected, let's decrease its radius to 0.1. Next, in the Details tab, set the rows and columns to 3. Now, add a particle SOP. Here, you can either experiment with the settings or match the exact values shown on screen. Let's navigate to the Forces tab and set the Wind X parameter to 0.36, set Wind Y to negative 0.05, and leave the Wind Z at 0. Set Turbulence X to negative 0.335, Turbulence Y to 0.74, and Turbulence Z to negative 0.561. Next, increase the birth rate to 300 and set life expectancy to 4. This will generate an intricate trail of particles flowing outward from our center point. Next, add a copy SOP. We also need an add SOP. Directly following the add SOP, let's bring in a convert SOP. Within the convert SOP parameters, change convert to particles per point. Finally, wire this convert SOP directly into the copy SOP. Change the number of copies to 3 and adjust the rotate X parameter to 300. This approach generates beautifully offset duplicates of the geometry. Drop a null after the copy. Now, let's construct our core render network. Add a geometry comp alongside our standard light and camera components. I previously imported a material, though it isn't strictly necessary for this specific geometry setup, so you can safely bypass it. Additionally, I have imported a sweep chop to animate the camera position. Feel free to copy these exact values or experiment to find your preferred viewing angle. Next, let's drop down a render top. With that ready, we can transition into the post-processing phase of our network. Add a level TOP and in its parameters, dial in these values. Set clamp input to clamp. Increase brightness to 1.6. Adjust high R to 0.832 and bring the high B and high G values to 0.756. Excellent. Now we will construct a standard feedback loop. Place a feedback top followed directly by a level top. Insert a transform top and adjust its rotate parameter to exactly 52 degrees. Next, introduce a composite top. Wire the initial level top into the composite and change the composite operation to glue. This technique instantly generates these striking continuous feedback trails. Proceed by adding another level top. Inside this new level top, adjust the black level to 0.23, bring the brightness to 0.85, set gamma to 2, and boost contrast to 1.69. Create one more composite top and route the previous level top into its second input. Be sure to change the composite operation to over and add an RGB key for the background. Notice the empty space surrounding our visual. We will resolve this shortly by implementing a lens distort. For now, introduce an RGB delay, setting the red delay to -3, the green delay to -2, and the blue delay to -1. Finally, let's bring in that lens distort TOP. Adjust K1 to -1, K2 to -1, and K3 to -1 as well. This creates a highly dynamic, warped visual that beautifully mimics a physical lens effect. To wrap things up, finalize the chain with a null top, giving us our completed output.